Are you feeling tired all the time, even after full night's sleep? Or maybe your belly is feeling bloated, even though you think you've been eating healthy. It may not be your schedule, it could be your food. Today, I am sharing 5 subtle signs your food could be draining your energy or messing with your gut. So let's dive right in. Sign number one, you crash after meals. If you feel like you're ready to take a nap after your lunch or dinner, then that's a red flag. Quick blood sugar spike from refined carbohydrate and hidden sugar can cause quick spike in your energy levels followed by a crash. Think about white pasta, white bread, cookies, or soda that you have with your meals. Sounds familiar? It's not just sugar. Eating high fat meals or large portions can slow you down as well. Body diverts energy to digestion, leaving you feel sluggish. Try adding whole grains, healthy fat, and protein to your diet. Watch your portions. Your food should fuel you, not drain you. Sign number two, you're feeling bloated more often than not. If your pants suddenly feel tighter after a meal, or if you feel that your body is puffy or gassy all the time, something is off. Bloating is not just a discomfort, it's your body waving a flag. Common culprits: dairy, ultra processed foods, even the foods which are labeled as healthy, like diet soda or high protein bar made with artificial sweeteners. One big issue is lactose intolerance. When your body lacks the enzyme called lactase, which breaks down the natural sugar called lactose in milk, it can create bloating, gas, and cramping because milk does not get digested properly. This often shows up more in adults, including the Asian Americans, Hispanic Americans, African Americans, and Native American communities. Another cause, diet high in FODMAPs. These are certain carbohydrates found in certain foods like garlic, onion, apples, beans, etc. When your gut is sensitive to many of these foods, can trigger bloating as well. Start tuning in to see how you feel 1 to 2 hours after your meals. Your belly is giving you signals. You just need to listen. Sign number three, you are waking up exhausted. If you're waking up exhausted even after 7 to 8 hours of sleep, then your evening eating habit could be the culprit. Heavy dinners, late night snacking, desserts at bedtime can keep your body busy digesting instead of resting and repairing. And don't forget about caffeine. It's not just in your coffee, it's also there in tea, chocolates, even the healthy energy bars can sneak it in. And then that can mess with your sleep cycle. If you're feeling constantly tired and also having symptoms like diarrhea, this could be more than just sleep issue. There could be underlying inflammatory bowel diseases like ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease, or it could be related to celiac disease, which is autoimmune condition where the body cannot tolerate gluten. These conditions cause gut inflammation and can drain your energy. These inflammatory gut issues are rising, especially in places where diets are high in processed fat and animal protein. What you eat does affect your sleep cycle, your energy, and your gut health. Try eating lighter at nighttime. Sip herbal teas like chamomile tea may be helpful. Add magnesium rich calming foods like bananas, green leafy veggies, or pumpkin seed to your meal. Sign number four, trouble focusing or brain fog. Let's talk about brain fog. You know what I mean. When your mind is just cloudy, not clear, you're not able to focus, and even simple task feels like a chore. It's easy to blame stress or burnout, and yes, those can be the factors, but what's on your plate does play a role with this as well. Blood sugar spikes, nutritional deficiencies, and food intolerances are often overlooked causes of mental fatigue and inability to focus. Your brain needs key nutrients to function well. Deficiency in certain vitamins like vitamin D, vitamin E, B6, folic acid, and certain minerals like iron, magnesium, iodine can affect your memory and focus. On the flip side, the diets high in saturated fat and refined carbohydrates have shown to disrupt the brain function, and that can lead to reduced ability to focus. Try starting your day with fiber and protein, oats with nut butter, eggs with veggies, or smoothie made with some chia seeds and spinach can make a big impact on your mental clarity. Sign number 5, irregular digestion. Let's talk about digestion. If you are dealing with constipation, loose stools, bloating, gas on a regular basis, then your gut is trying to tell you something. Fast foods and processed meals are affordable, convenient, and very tasty, but they can really throw off your gut balance. These foods are often low in fiber and high in artificial flavorings, preservatives, emulsifiers, and artificial colors. Consumption of this food over the course of time can lead to the gut sensitivity, inflammation, and even intolerance. Cured meats like hot dogs, bacon, sausages, they contain nitrites, which are linked to the gut inflammation as well. Plus, many people aren't getting enough fiber or enough water, especially if they are eating on the go or skipping meals. Your gut is your second brain. It is deeply connected to your mood, your energy, and your immune system. If any of these signs sound familiar, don't worry. Making small food fixes can make a big difference. I created a free starter guide with 3 simple food fixes that can help you boost your energy and beat the bloat naturally. Grab your Eat to Heal starter guide. Link is in the description. If you found this helpful, please go ahead and like, subscribe to my channel, and share this with someone who is always tired or bloated. They'll thank you.